From today we will start practice on chapter linear equation in one variable. So it will take some time. Lots of variations of sums are there. So we'll do we'll proceed or we'll progress our practice with very few sums. Okay, and all the sums which I'm giving you right this moment for the practice sessions will play a very important role for your upcoming half-yearly exams. Now, what is question number one? You see, I have given two solution, two simplification, and one problem sum. So let's begin with the question number one. One is 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 3y. Okay, so the first thing, you have to bring all the variable terms to the left hand side and you have to take the constant term to the right hand side. So we'll take this constant term to the right hand side and we'll bring this variable terms to the left hand side. So it will be 2y, it is minus, so it will become plus. We'll take this towards right hand side, but before that we have to write this first. I hope you remember. So this is plus 5 by 3. When we'll go to our RHS, when you're transposing anything, the sign changes. So 2y plus 3 is obviously 3y. It was easy. Now both the terms are carrying the same denominator, so the LCM will be 3 and it will be 26 minus 5, isn't it? So it will be 3y equals to 21 by 3. Now to get the value of y, we have to remove this 3. So how to remove it? We will transpose this. It is in the multiplication form, so it will look like this, divided by 3. Okay, so y equals to 21 by 3. If we do multiplications, so 3 is carrying 3 by 1. So we know that when we put multiplication sign in place of division, so this part, that is the right hand side fraction, always reciprocals. So 1 upon 3. So your answer will be y equals to 21 upon 3. So this is a solution of sum number A. Okay, so let's see what is the solution of sum number B. Yes, this is sum number B. The first thing that we'll do is we'll solve the solve the LHS and then we'll transpose the values. Now 1 is carrying 1 as a denominator, so the LCM would be what? 3 only. Now if you divide 3 with 3, what is the answer? 1. 1 into 6x plus 1 is what? 6x plus 1 only. Now when you divide 3 with 1, answer is 3. So 3 ones are 3. Okay, right hand side term, we'll keep it as intact. Now we'll solve this. See, these are the two constant terms, we can solve this. So 6x plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4 upon 3 is equals to x minus 3 by 6. Now we'll do the cross multiplication, that 6 will be multiplied with whole this and 3 will be multiplied with this. So it will look like 6 into, as because when you are multiplying monomial with binomial, you always give a bracket. So monomial with binomial, 3 into x minus 3. Okay, so 6 into 6x is 36x. 6 4s are 24. The same thing we'll do with this. 3 into x is 3x. Plus minus is minus. 3 into 3 is 9. Now we have to bring all the variable term to the left hand side and the constant term to the right hand side. So let's do it. So 36x, so plus 3x will come to this side, it will become minus 3x. Already on the right hand side there is minus 9, so which number we have to take? Plus 24 towards that side, so it will become minus 24. So it will become 33x, isn't it? And this will become also 33. So x is equals to minus 33 upon 33. If we reduce it, the answer will come as minus 1. Okay, so these are very important sum, students. This type is very important. Okay, so let's see question number 2. Now according to the question number 2, you see 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Now integers means suppose 1 2 3. So consecutive integers means what is the difference between the consecutive integers? If we speak about suppose 9 10 11, so if it's 9 10 and 11, so what is the difference between these two numbers? 1. And what is the difference between these two numbers? 2. So if I take this as x, suppose, so what will be this number? Obviously I have to add 1, so this number will be considered as x plus 1. And what will be this number? As because this number is 2 more than this number, so this number will be considered as x plus 2. So these are all the consecutive numbers. Any three consecutive numbers has the same type of relation. Okay, if the first one you will take as 1, the next one will be 1 more than the previous one, and the very next one will be 2 more than the first one. Okay, so that is the reason I see. See that I've written the first number as x, second number be x plus 1, and obviously if I'm comparing the third number with the first number, then it will be 2 more than the first number, isn't it? So this is the relation between any three consecutive integers. Now they have said that the sum of these three consecutive integers is 51. So according to the problem is first number plus second number plus third number will add up to 51. Now we have to solve this equation. Now how many x are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3x. Add up all the constant term, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So now you take the constant term towards the right hand side. So it will look like 3x equals to 51 minus 3. So it will be 3x equals to 48. Now transpose this 3 towards right hand side. So it will look like 48 by 3. So answer is 16. Now x is 16. That is first number. You have to get all the numbers, students. So the first number is x. That is equals to 16. Now what will do the second number? What was the second number? X plus 1. So x plus 1, that is we have to add 16 with 1. So we'll get the second number. And what will be the third number? X plus 2. So that will be 16 plus 2, 18. So these are the consecutive numbers. See, 16, 17, 18. So this is your answer. So this is your today's assignment, students. So we have already started practice on chapter linear equation in one variable. Tomorrow also we'll do the same, and if possible next week, because this particular chapter has lots of variations. Okay, thank you and take care.